Lately, I asked an artist, what is art? And she replied, it's a style. So I reflected on that and I thought it's a style how you take spiritual energy or spiritual information and you manifest it in an extraordinary way. So if we consider that we are all spiritually organized stardust, this is really extraordinary. And then in life, we are always pushed into ordinary. Society, organizations, everything is on ordinary. When you say, I have to understand that, what are you doing? This is ordinary. But then when you're on the table, you come on the table because you want to have an extraordinary experience. So it is like you have a wedding cake and the only thing you know is bread. And you ask me to explain what is the experience of eating a wedding cake with your experience of knowing what is bread. How can you do that? You have to taste it. You have to do it. You have to commit to making an extraordinary experience.
Hello friends, it's gonna be an incredible experience at the retreat in Armenia. Come and feel it with all your being.